Good evening, students. Welcome back to the Bonsai classes method and there are top PC method. Today, I am going to discuss about uh, resultant focal length while two lengths is kept in contact. Whether it is one of concave lens, another one is convex lens. Suppose let us consider here is a concave lens and it is a convex lens. Lens 1 and it is lens 2. Having different focal length. Lens 1 and lens 2 having different focal length. F1 and F2 are the focal length of these two lens, L1 and L2. Now here is the principal axis. Here is a ray which is passed through the pole P1 and P2. Suppose an object is at point O. This ray will incident at point there and reflected somehow, and reflected ray is produced to this point. There is an image O1 at the surface. This will be again reflected like this. Hi. Listen, students. Object distance for the length 1 is this. It is U. And image distance for the length 1 is this. It is V1. Again, students, listen carefully. This image will be this image of O. O1 image O1 is of O will be act as object for lens 2. It means object distance for the lens 2 will be again it is V1, right? And image distance for the lens 2 is G. Okay. Focal length of L1 is F1 and focal length of L2 is F2. Okay. Now U will be the object distance of L1. P1 will be the image distance of L1. Similarly, for lens 2, P1 will be act as object distance. P1 will be act as object distance for L2 and V will be image distance for L2. It is because image is produced behind the lens of L2. It is concave lens. Okay. Now, students, I will use lens formula. Lens formula. For the first lens L1, it will be C1 minus U is equal to 1 by F1. It is equation number 1. Similarly, for the lens 2, using lens formula, I will have 1 by V minus 1 by C1 is equal to F2. It is because V1 is the object distance for the lens 2 and V is the image distance for the lens 2. That is why in length 2, V 1 by V minus 1 by V1 is equal to 1 by F2. Now students, what will I do? I will add these two equations to obtain the focal length. Okay? Adding 1 and 2, 1 by V1 minus 1 by U plus 1 by V minus 1 by V1 is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. Yeah, 1 by V plus 1 by V minus 1 by V will be eliminated. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F plus 1 by F2. Listen student, if the focal length of this combination length will be the F, then 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, where F is the resultant focal or total focal length of the combination. Total focal length of the combination. Now I can substitute 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Right here 1 by F is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. By calculation, I will have F1, F2 plus F1. It is a simple mathematics. It is simple mathematics. Now, to obtain the value of F, I will take reciprocal of F. F is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F into F2 by F2 plus F1. Students, this is the resultant focal length of the new lengths after combining these two lengths L1 and L2. Okay, that is the focal length. F is equal to F1 into F2 by F2 plus F1. Students, this question is asked in previous examination in different times, right? And application of this expression is vast. This expression you can use to obtain the combination when two lengths is combined together, and there will be question to obtain the focal length of that combination lengths also. Okay, so students, don't forget to subscribe my channel and write to me your suggestion. Okay, good night.